welcome back to Camping Begins. We're going to get back on the Caravan this week. Caravan begins again. We've had a bit of a break because the weather wasn't too good and we've had other things going on. But what essentially we're going to do first is if you come in and have a look at this. Do you want to come and show us this? So what we've got to do now is all these back struts in here are all rotten. They're all absolutely rotten. So we've got to replace this timber in 4 sections, one here, one here, one here, and that one over there. We're going to go that one first. This is the shape we need to make. A couple of weeks ago, Kirsten and I, which way is that arrow go? Is that the back or the bottom?
To the side. To the side.
So a few weeks ago, we cut this template out from the outside. I'll show you a bit of footage of when we did it. Well, there's a shape on that. There's a shape on the back of it. Do it right. And what we're going to do is draw it on the table and clamp it to the table.
I was saying do it on the floor in the caravan, but you don't really want to do that, do you? I'm still recording, you know.
We don't have any wood bending experience. It looks like all these timbers have literally been bent, and I think back in the old days they used to steam them. I've watched videos about making a steamer, but I've also seen somebody else do it slightly differently. We've got here, this is, I think that's 4mm marine ply, so it's going to be pretty hard wearing, and the idea here is we cut it into thin strips the same width as that, and we're going to cut 4 for each piece, bend it onto a frame, glue it, screw it and clamp it and wait for it to set. That's the idea. You'll see how we get on. I'll see you soon. Okay, so I just want to explain the theory quickly. Kirsten doesn't think this is the right thing to do. She thinks we should steam it. So she sat there all judgmental now. What I think we should do is we're gonna, oh, I hope actually, this is just theory. So we've got this shape that we're trying to achieve. We're gonna have thin strips of marine ply, 4mm marine ply. We're gonna have 4 strips similar to this, not these obviously. We're going to mark this shape onto the table and we're going to put blocks in strategic positions around the table, and then we're going to cut these, bend them, clamp them into place on the blocks, glue it, put a couple of screws in and then let it to set, and it will hopefully set, and when we lift it off it'll be a bent piece of wood. Let's see how we go. That was on camera. You stood right in front of the camera.
Sorry. I thought you were joking.
Right, so we can actually fit it in then, can't we? And we can use this as a template.
Yeah, it gives you
for
more
screwing
space.
these blocks in.
Yeah.
I don't know how many blocks I'll need.
You're gonna need a few. You'll need more at your most curved point.
Alright, so let's put some holes through these then.
You're just drilling through that table.
Yeah. It don't matter. It don't matter.
That's how I'd do it. But it doesn't really matter because you need to cut your wood.
Yeah. But I think that's enough. I think that's enough, isn't it? Because I think we couldn't believe it. 140.
Yeah.
140, 140 centimetres.
Yeah.
1400 millimetres.
Not very bendy.
It's not bendy now, but it'll be bendy person saying it's not bendy. I think the idea is when it's thinner, it's not very bendy. Let's see how it goes. Pretty much bob on. Okay then, let's just go for it.
Do you smelt with holding as well as clamping?
Maybe. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I can sit on it.
And it actually doesn't feel like it's going to move.
I can get on top if you
You
want.
can sit on, oh right, you can sit on. No, I'm not being rude, I just meant... is
You
that
are
what you
being
meant?
rude.
I'm not. Sit there, put your bum there.
Well, I just don't know if the bench will hold me.
Do you want some goggles?
Yeah. I'm probably need some bodyguard as well.
That's all we've got. Ready? You don't think you can sit on it any longer?
No, but you can clamp it there.
Well, could probably. What, you want to measure it?
So you've got 3 pieces.
That looks thick enough to me.
Yeah, 1, 2.
So how thick is that?
2. 3. Well,
See,
not
there's
loads.
that's only 2 centimetres thick.
Another one then. Add another one to it.
I think we said 4. That gets you 2.5.
So then that's.
And then we need 4. 1,
4.
2, 3, 4.
Right, we're done it. We're done.
So you need another 8.
You don't need
We're
any
done.
more. Yeah, you don't need any more.
Alright, so this was overkill.
Yeah.
I feel quite disorganised, which I think I am, but
You are, yeah.
I try to be non-disorganised in my head. Oh, that's only just going to go. So, I think what we need, do you want to grab some stuff? We need PVA, some kind of, like a bowl or something to put it in, the dish. You know, one of them plastic things.
Yep.
PVA, brush, 2 brushes or whatever you want to get. Oh,
Slowing me down slick.
shall we put them on there for just tonight? Do you know what I will do? I will tag the guy who I saw on YouTube on this video. I'll put a link in below to his video. Maybe I should have watched it again. So that's the theory. We
On the inside.
get some wood now. How do you reckon we do this? Paint them all and then slide them all in. Am I out of camera? Paint them all and then slide them all in. You know, it's going to take some strength.
See, it's the weak point.
Bollocks. going to just put a piece on here.
It's a weak spot in your wood.
They're all clamps of a sort. And then we should. Well, we don't paint both sides of that one, do we? We just paint the top side of it. We do them all like this. So that one doesn't require any.
We'll just clip.
That end in.
Oh, this end, okay, sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
That end in.
yeah, thanks. Go. Just keep going, I'm just pouring it in as you go.
I can hear it, unless it's the paper.
Could be the paper. Oh, this isn't really. Oh, yeah, go.
Don't need to do it. Oh.
Has it gone? This side.
Maybe. It should. Oh, FG.
Oh,
Reserve piece. Do you want to just quickly inspect that? What do you think? I think this is your weekend.
I think it looks okay on my side, but
Yeah.
yeah, I don't want
Seems to have a slight natural curve that way. Softly, softly. Catch your monkey.
Go, keep going, you're alright. I'm just doing it as you go. Yeah, it seems to be in.
I don't think you need a clamp there. Huh?
You do, so that you can squish them
This one's the wrong way down.
glue out. Squish that again. Oh, I lost it.
The little thing off there. I need that clamp for this.
But that's working there.
Think of the block. These don't have. It needs to be a screw up clamp, doesn't it?
Well, I'll tell you what we can do quickly.
Oh yeah. Just chuck whatever we can on it.
All this is splitting.
Need more G clamps.
We need more G clamps.
Oh, look at that. Yeah. That's enough. There's only enough for special screw. I don't expect us to be able to do any better than that. Cool. Give the clamps. I have some smaller ones of these. So we'll just get whatever we've got.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see the paint squishing, can't you? Not the paint, what's it called? Glue. Oh yeah, look, you can see it working now. see it all just squeezing out. It's actually better than nothing else. Now I did suggest putting a couple of screws through. I don't know. Weaken it back and screw through. Yeah. Should leave it. Clamp just broke. Gonna do that. Bunnings break. Okay, so we're back from Bunnings, and we bought an extra couple of clamps. We've got these bigger ones. Might as well, because we'll probably use them for something else later. So this is the whole thing. If you look at it, this is now clamped in. You can see you can probably see, oh, can you see? It's started to go off already. You can see the PVA just, that's actually almost tough now. And look, I think we'll give this at least 24 hours and we'll come back tomorrow and see if it works. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey. It's tomorrow. Well, it's not tomorrow actually, that's a bit of a lie. It's the day after tomorrow. We didn't get a chance yesterday. Okay, I'm going to take all these off now. I think we all know what's going to happen. This is going to be stuck to the paper, isn't it? Hope it's worked. Ready? Well, we all knew that was going to happen. Oh, but look. I hope you can see that. Oh, that's pretty solid. I think we've done it. That's awesome. Hey, back in the caravan. We'll see if this, obviously this is the main one we've got to replace like we mentioned earlier. But I think, oh look at that. Do you know what? I think this is going to work. Okay, well, I suppose I've got to make another 3 of these. So look, I'm going to end this video. We'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe. I'll build some more of these. I suppose next episode when we come back we'll probably be fitting them, so we're probably going to have to take all this off from the outside and see if we can get underneath and replace these and sort of fix them in. Thanks a lot everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.